You're still all caught up looking for new ways to make money online. Well, this video is for you. And with these kind of methods that are proven to be legit when it comes to making money online, you will make a lot of money if you make sure that you follow this channel by subscribing to this channel, liking this video, and also sharing this video with your friends and family who you want to make money with. So the first website that is 100% proven to be legit when you want to make money online is called Premium Chats. Well, basically, with Premium Chat, you will be getting paid to just chat with strangers on this website. And this website has over 250,000 users, and about 80% of them are lonely people who are eager to pay someone to chat with online. And the website allows anyone from all regions of the world to come along and get paid to chat with lonely people online. And the most exciting part about Premium Chat is that they give you the freedom to choose what you want to charge clients. And here's what you can charge from $1 to $50 per minute for chatting with them. So this is the criteria you would need to get about when charging them. When we go about the registration on this platform, scrolling down a little bit on the home page is where you're going to get the link to the sign up page of this website. Now for you to sign up, all you will need to do sign up on the site is pretty simple and clear. So just click on the sign up for free button located on the login page. Once you are logged on it, you will see something like this where you have to choose to sign up as a seller account or as a buyer account. So as a seller account, people pay you to chat with them, but as a buyer account, you pay people to chat with them. Now that you know the two different accounts, obviously you would choose the seller account. And for you to complete the sign up, you're gonna have to use your Gmail account to complete the sign up. After that, your sign up should be done and complete, and your dashboard will be on screen, and that is where people can actually get in touch with you. On the right hand side is where you find the menu button of everything you're gonna need. On the right hand side is where you find the menu button of everything you need in order to chat with people or request people to contact you on the websites and chat with them so that you will make money from the websites. And from the screen you can get to see the wallet. That is where people get to send you money before they get in touch with you, and the receipt is where they get to send you proof of payment. And furthermore, you can go to settings, make your profile look good, and that is basically what you're gonna need to know in order for you to make money with this website. Another website you need to know is called Remotely For You. Remotely For You is a website owned by a company based in the United States of America. This company hires people from all over the world to chat with lonely people. The aim for this website is to get you to chat with lonely Americans that feel bored and need someone to talk to. One of the good things about this website is that no formal training for you to get registered in this website. All you need to do is indicate interest and make your registration by submitting your details. Now you see, it's that easy. After that, they will get to send you more information once they've confirmed your email. When we come to how this websites pay you, you need to know that they pay you up to $100 to $300 weekly, and then up to $3,000 if you keep your job professional and you know your story. And you are also needed to be 18 or above in order to apply to this website. And what I love the most about this website is that this website really doesn't want you to only focus on it, as you can also do other daily activities. Coming to the last website that you need to know is called Cloud Workers, and I'm assuming that you also know how this website works. But if not, why don't you subscribe first to the channel, like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family. Once you have done that, comment the word "I'm done, let's make money," so that I can go on and tell you what you need to know about this website. Well, the website Cloud Workers, you work as a chat operator where you interact with lonely people and people who are also bored and depressed to get them out of depression. And one fact about this site is that it's been around for a very long time, since 2015. And another thing that you would need to know is that the site pays you monthly and their salary is over 500 US dollars monthly. Now, if you're interested in registering on the site, head on to their homepage and then scroll down a bit where you will see a form to fill in to get registered and submit on this site. Once you have done all that, you will be ready to start earning money from this site, Cloud Workers. Now that you have seen how easy it is to make money from these sites, I'm sure you will be starting soon with these incredible websites to make fortunes and fortunes of money. And once again, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share this video with your friends and family that you wanna make money with.